Monday yet again. Yes, 3 today. So I have got quite a lot of stuff to show you guys. So everything's coming in here at the end of the month. So get ready for video overload. I apologize. So first, thank you so much for being here. I do greatly appreciate it. I hope you all are having a wonderful start to your week. If you are new, please consider hitting that subscribe button. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And as always, please leave a comment down below telling me about your day and give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, because it does help me out. Thank you again to each and every one of you. We reached 5,000 subscribers. We're over 5,000 now, well over. And we have our 5,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So that link will be down below. So if you have not entered, make sure you do. But today, as you can see from the description, we are going to be unboxing a little bit early the September 2019 Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box. So what is Simply Earth, you ask? I have done this on my channel before. It has been a while. I do want to say thank you to Simply Earth. They did send this to me again for review and to share with you guys. So, Simply Earth is essential oils. And every month they will send you like 4 different essential oils and then recipe cards to create different items with those oils. And if you need any extra like supplies or things, usually they are in the box as well. Now, when you first sign up with Simply Earth, I do have a code, Southern Mom Free, and that will actually, you will get, I believe it's $32. You will get your you'll get that month's box. You will get a big bonus box, and this is important because the big bonus box is what is going to give you a lot of things you will need to also do some of the recipes with this subscription. So if you're looking to use essential oils and start incorporating more natural things in your life with the essential oils, like I said, when you first sign up, use the code Southern Mom Free. You will pay for your box right here, but that code will get you the big bonus box for free. And inside that box, you're gonna find like beeswax. You're gonna find carrier oils like almond oil, coconut oil. It's filled with so many different things that you will enjoy and need to do some of these projects every month with your subscription. And it will also give you a $20 e-gift card for any future purchase on their site. So that is really awesome. So essentially, you're paying the $32 for the subscription, but with that code Southern Mom Free, you're going to get the big bonus box in addition and a $20 e-gift card. So $32 and you get all of that plus the box. Awesome. So let's go ahead. I will make sure, like I said, to put a link and that promo code down below for you guys. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what September already. I wish it was already actually September because A, I would have my fall backdrop up and I would probably have had a pumpkin spice something. But let's get in here and see what we've got for September 2019 with Simply Earth. So, so this is what we're seeing when we open it. So this is one thing I like. Another thing you get in the big bonus box is you'll get like roller balls, like roller ball bottles, empty, and then just other different things. So because sometimes you get these little stickers for the different recipes that they give you, and you have those items in the big bonus box that you can put the stickers on and create your projects. So here are our cards for our projects. Let me find. Oh, one thing about this company that I also love is they give back. They give back in a big way. They give back 13% of every purchase to a charity to help end human trafficking. Now, it may change every month as to which one they actually select. So I'm actually going to read to you what charity they're working with this month. So it says, this month you're giving 13% to Exodus Cry. We fight because every free person should be free. This is Exodus Cry's war cry. 40 plus million people are estimated to be trapped in prostitution. 98% are women and girls. This month we're partnering with Exodus Cry to change these statistics. Exodus Cry is working by shifting culture, changing laws, and reaching out to break the cycles, creating these startling statistics. Each month, 13% of all Simply Earth profits go towards ending human trafficking. We do this by partnering with a difference-making organization and supporting their work to end it. Thank you for joining them on their mission this month through buying this recipe box. To learn more about Exodus Cry and what you can do to support them, you can visit www.exoduscry.com. So again, I think that that is absolutely amazing. I know I've said so many times that I think when a subscription gives back, it is amazing, but this, to give back to this, is phenomenal. I just love it. So that's just another, in my opinion, perk and feel good thing about this box. So I wanted to share that with you guys. All right, so we have, let's see. Here's a sneak peek at October's recipe box. Fall candles. What? Raise your hand if you love the smell of fall. Yes. Next month, we've got some great fall aromas heading your way, and we're making candles. While you're eagerly waiting for your next box, think about picking out some little containers you'd like to make your candles in. The oils included will be cassia, orange, balsam fir, and focus blend essential oils. Bonus items will be a soy wax and wicks. Recipes to look forward to are 2 candles, a lip balm, aromatherapy rice bag, pain relief roll-on, and a fall-inspired diffuser blend. That all sounds amazing. Amazing. So then, right here, this will tell us each of the oils that is in our box and a little bit about them. So I'm going to read this to you. So we have Cajeput. I do not know if I'm saying that correctly. Essential oil. Relieves congestion, minor pain, inflammation, and muscle spasm. Has a fresh, fruity, and herbaceous aroma. This oil can cause breathing problems with young children, so don't use it or diffuse it around young children. It's also best to avoid using this on damaged skin. I love that they give you this information. They don't just say this is what this oil is or does. It tells you, they give you the information about don't use it around really young children, and I love that. So then lemongrass essential oil, we'll use it on acne and oily skin as a digestive aid to reduce fevers, to remove airborne odors, and to relieve anxiety. Its aroma is similar to lemon essential oil, but with herbal notes. I love using it in cleaning recipes. And then we have bay essential oil, can be used for gas relief, pain relief, decongestion, easing muscle spasms, and reducing fever. This oil can cause breathing problems with young children. Best to avoid using this oil on damaged skin. So it's kind of the same as that first one. And then we have the Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend. This blend is made up of geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, ylang-ylang essential oils. It helps ease stress and anxiety and promotes feelings of joy and happiness. These all sound amazing. And with my rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia, these ones talking about pain and inflammation and all that, what? Yes. All right, so let's get to our recipes. First, I'm going to show you. So here we have the Cajeput essential oil. Let's see what it smells like. What did it say this one was? This one smelled like fruity, fresh, fruity, and herbaceous. I don't really smell fresh, fruity. I definitely smell herbaceous. And this is the one that talked about congestion, and it It smells good. I like that. Okay. And then we have the lemongrass. They said this was similar to lemon, but with herbal notes. Yeah. I guess like a very faint hint of citrus and then herbal. So, and then the bay, it didn't say what this, I'm wondering if this is like a bay leaf. So right there. Woo. It kind of honestly smells a lot like the Cajeput. And they both say that they help with the decongestant, the pain relief, and all of that, but both of those are the ones not to diffuse around or use around young children. And then our final one is the Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend. And this is the one that was geranium, sweet orange, grapefruit, and ylang ylang. Oh, that does smell good. Sweet orange is one of my favorites, and peppermint. That smells good. That smells really good. Oh. I just noticed, like this here says, if you can see right here, that it is child safe for ages 10 and up. Same thing with the lemongrass. Neither of the others obviously say that, so, but they were the ones that said not to use around young children. All right, so our recipes, we're gonna go through these kind of quick just because we're already really long. But again, you always get little stickers here that can go with your big bonus box to put on any roller ball, or sometimes you create a blend using the oils. So, but let's get in here. So the first thing that for this month, the recipe is a Happy Joy facial soap. So you will use the glycerin soap base, some lemon zest, which is optional, 6 drops of the essential oil blend, and they did give us some of the glycerin right here. That's what I was saying, is sometimes they give you the extras, and then the little silicone mold, and it says 100% handmade. That is awesome. So that's our facial soap. And then we have a sugar scrub soap bar. So you're going to use the mold. You can use some cinnamon as optional. You're going to use the glycerin soap base, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 drops of the Happy Joy essential oil blend, and 1 drop of the Bay essential oil. And it does give you step-by-step instructions, so that is awesome. Then you're going to make a Happy Joy roll-on, and this is super simple. You are going to use 6 drops of the Happy Joy essential oil, 10 milliliters of the almond oil, and again, that's a carrier oil, and that will be in the big bonus box. And then you'll need the roll-on bottle, which again, you get some of those in the big bonus box. So super simple, super easy. So there's that. Flour, spice, and something nice, soap. So this, you're going to use some of the glycerin soap base that is included here. If you want to, you can use some dried flowers or like a small toy or something to put inside. 2 drops of the Cajeput essential oil, 2 drops of the Bay essential oil, the soap mold, and a toothpick. Which again, those are all kind of optional items. But again, it gives you the instructions. Then a lemongrass, Cajeput, and Bay compress. 2 drops of Cajeput essential oil, 3 drops of the lemongrass essential oil, 2 drops of the Bay essential oil, 4 cups of water, and then a small towel or washcloth. So that is really nice, especially since some of those again talk about helping to relieve pain and inflammation. That is awesome. I'm definitely going to use that one. I know that for sure. And then Flowers and Spice Diffuser Blend. So 2 drops of the Happy Joy Essential Oil Blend, 1 drop of the lemongrass, 1 drop of the cajeput, and 1 drop of the bay. So this you're going to put into obviously your diffuser. And it says on here, if you love that blend, if you love the smell, you can actually create a full bottle. It says use the 50 or the 5 ml blend bottle from your bonus box. And then it gives it, obviously you're going to use like 40 drops, 20 drops. It goes over how to make that, and you actually can create and have that blend ready to go. So that is the September 2019 Essential Oils box, Simply Earth Essential Oils box. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like I said, I will put a link down below to sign up, as well as that promo code Southern Mom free to get you the big bonus box along with your monthly box and a $20 gift card, e-gift card for their site. So it's totally worth it, especially if you are into essential oils and making natural, chemical-free items. And next month sounds really awesome. Candles and roll-ons. Yes, yes, and yes. So a link will be down below with the coupon code as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.